Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be a different video because my daughter, I had to bring her to Vanderbilt to Nashville, and while I was here, the window went out, will not come up in the Escalade, so I'm gonna have to temporarily fix it. So I was like, you know, I'm here in Nashville, I'm come to into the parking garage, use my key to come into the parking garage, and then all of a sudden my window won't go up. So I had to go find me an AutoZone, which took me into downtown Nashville. And then I spent, hold on guys, let me get my hand off the camera, I'm not the best. So I spent some money on some tools because I've got to get this window up and stay up until I can get back to Maryville and get my boy Rob to fix this thing. So let's do it. Let's do a video on how do we temporarily fix a window on the Escalade. Let's get started. First off, I bought these because why is there a light on, guys? I don't know how to turn that off, but I bought these because I needed something to pry this right here. So I bought these for that because they did not have the panel ones at that AutoZone. So let's see. So all you need for that is, of course, some Gorilla Tape. I bought this little cheap socket set because I was going to buy a nicer one, but I thought, man, I've got so many tools. So this one I'll leave in the Escalade in case something happens, because all I need is the ratchet and a 10mm. And then I had to buy these right here for this little hook to take this panel off. So let's get to it. All right guys, look where I'm working on this stuff at. Parking garage right outside Vanderbilt. Look at this. I had to come over here to find some light. Just right over there is Vanderbilt's football stadium, just right over there. So we're gonna do this job in the dark. Well, it's not that dark. So the first thing you need to do, guys, you gotta pull these little knobs here. So I gotta sort of, hopefully I can film this. Well, look, if you look right here, you see that it has a spot right there. I'm gonna hold my hand right there, guys. Sorry if you can't see it real good. So you pull that pin and that comes right off. So we'll set that right here. Then you go right here, there's door handle. There's a little spot right there that you put this into. And then you pop that off. And then you go down here. I think it's like right here. Get on top there. Let's see if I can get it here. View. So y'all can see it. There you go. The only one I'm worried about taking off, because I don't know what that was, but it was awful loud. Hey, wasn't too bad. And I did not break the clip. So honestly, I didn't even have to use these, but the garage can use them. So there we go. So now we need to get the 10mm out here. Let's see this cheap little set, see if it's worth a flip. Well, let's see if I can find something to cut this. I'm gonna try to set this up right here so we can see it. So what we gotta take off is right in here's a bolt, down here's 2 bolts. Of course, you gotta take this off, so let's get it going. You know me, I always tighten first. Well, this thing don't look too difficult, but I mean, I hadn't even got into it yet. I've never done this before. But we will see how it goes. Hopefully, we learn something. So there's one bolt here I've known, and that's so far. I don't know what I do, but then There's 2 bolts right here. If my boy Rob's watching, you'll be fixing this when I get home, hopefully. Because my wife does not let me work on her car. It's the first time. It's a have to. Because we're in a city. Nashville. Then we'll go up to the room so I can take a shower, get back to the hospital. Alright guys, I got the door panel off. I reached in there and grabbed the glass. I barely got my hand on it, so I'm gonna set you over here while I pull that up. We'll see what we can do with it. Alright guys, well, I was able to get the window up. That's what my goal was. Now I've got to somehow make it where it won't fall back down. So I bought the trusty Gorilla tape, and we're gonna fix this up where someone can't break in, and then Rob can fix it when I get back home. Guys, I got it back on. Well, not all the way. I gotta put the bolts back in. I dropped one bolt down in there, but Rob will find it for me when I get back. So what I gotta do is put these bolts back on, put these covers back on, and look at my fixing till I get back. And I'm in an Escalade. That's like crazy. The outside don't look too bad because the windows are tinted, but you can still see it. But you know, my wife's car, she does not let me work on it, but there's a first time for everything. Let's get this done. All right guys, I see the way we took it off will be the same way it goes back on. So I guess you just slide that back down, push that back in, lock, unlock. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Let's see if this works. I might have put this in the way, that tape, but that'll work for now. Tape's in there in the way, so what we do is we'll pop this one in. Let's see, let me turn this thing around. All right, we'll pop this one back in. That's all that is, man. That one, what else do we got here? I know we had more parts than that. Where'd that chrome, guys, yes, remember where I put the chrome piece. Like David says, chrome won't get you home, but it sure does look good. There should be a chrome piece. Oh. Is it chrome? No, it's not chrome. That's why I couldn't find it. So, I think I done it backwards. There it is. And with that tape, I don't know if it's gonna stay on there with that tape. Persuasion. There we are, guys. There it is. Job well done. You never know. It looks factory, don't it? Looks like it come that way. That's the model. It's called black tape model. Looks good. Let's put this stuff away and go to inside. Guys, like I was saying, we are in Nashville, so the Cadillac is ready to go now. So we're gonna go in here and check out this hotel. So guys, just stick with me. It's a pretty nice place. I mean, this is the parking garage for the hotel that we're staying at, and it is called Elite Member. Ooh, I'm an elite member. Let me show you something here. We're in a pretty cool little place if you like Vanderbilt or Nashville, period. I like Nashville. I'm a Tennessee Vol fan, so, but their school's really awesome. I want to show you a few things. Hold on, I'll get right back with you. All right, guys, check this out. There's my hotel. Right here's the stadium. Pretty cool. My boys would like this because they're all into football. So check that out. Vanderbilt's stadium. It's so small. Look at that. They're having some kind of event. So let's get over here to the hotel and then we'll go pick up my little girl. All right, guys, we got the car fixed. Well, rigged. And then back and picked up my beautiful daughter. Oh gosh, say drive, Jim. And we'll head back to the hotel and we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, since I fixed the car and Hallie's back, see, and Amanda, and Hunter and Houston's at home. So we're going to check out Nashville right down here because Hallie, look, the church looks like the White House, but not white, tan. So let's see what it looks like around here. Me and the girls are down here in this area. I don't know what it's called.
The Gulch.
The Gulch in Nashville.
I think it's Gulch.
Gulch?
Did
What?
I not say that? I'm not.
Whatever. We're looking around. Pretty cool. Got an account now to park, so we decided to bring the Mustang and the Nova down here. I don't know about that, but look, we got some good eat, drink, and be happy.
Because what's down there?
All right, we got to go over
Well,
here.
we don't have to.
Let's check this place out.
That's where.
All right, guys. Well, this is going to be it for the video. I really appreciate you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, because we do a lot more. Check out Nashville right there. But look at this back wall. Of course, I don't read, so I don't know any of them books. But guys, make sure you like, subscribe. Hunter's back home. We got something coming that's for the Nova. We'll put it in this clip right here. But guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Welcome back, y'all. We're on our way back to Maryville, Tennessee. Left Nashville about what? How long ago, Amanda? An hour ago. And we've been doing 180, and the window's holding up. It's almost better than OEM. Look at it. Looks good. It looks like a new design. I'm patenting this. I'll sell it to you later. So guys, let's make this trip home.